The traffic light or traffic sign, yeah, is can also cause the traffic accident too. Why I say like this? Traffic accident is very important to show people to know about, to avoid the traffic accident. But unfortunately, most people do not obey. Like example, when I ride my motorbike on the road, I see most people, you see, like when the light jump from green color into red color. You see, all trucks, buses, cars, motorbike must go by. But some people still go, even though the light is red. You see, it's a problem. They may meet the traffic accident severely if they still do like this. So, this reason and those are big issues of occurring the traffic accident in Cambodia. See? And in brief, I recommend people, especially focus on teenagers, students that are here, or drivers or riders, must avoid the causes that I described before this. You see, otherwise they will absolutely take high risk of losing their life in the future or in nowadays. You see, yeah. And one more time, I want all of you to catch up on you, especially focus on customer here news, to know about more than like Phnom Penh Post. What you know? You want to know about the traffic accident because it's very important. You see, very important. Please particularly if you want to make your life alive, yeah, you should keep to know about the traffic accident, especially to follow the traffic law. Yeah, it's very important. Yeah, that's all for my presentation. Yes, thank you for your listening. If the audience is any question, please ask me.